nice. Go back farther, and then that way you can yeah, that way you can kind of ease into it and get a nice straight run.
Wow, I didn't expect that.
Nice.
You landed on one wheel.
This is all right. Oh!
Oh, I looked the metal thing.
Oh no, it completely broke, dude.
Plastic
damn.
arm, yeah. Hey, but your metal's intact.
But look, the metal's all bent up. That's supposed to be like
Yeah.
down here.
It is?
Yeah, yeah, it's like at a 45, not 90.
What'd you hit?
I must.
Oh.
Oh damn.
Well, hey.
Damn is right.
You know what? Now that's just like a battling ram. You might as well
Yeah.
leave it like that.
Oh, that's easy to fix.
You just gotta get.
Oh,
That's just another $100.
Oh wait, even the top broke too. Oh no, see.
Oh no, that bracket.
That's the. I have metal ones of these. I didn't replace the metal ones. You see,
Oh,
I got metal ones in the back.
Oh, no.
Nice.
This is
Nice.
All right, I'll see you later, guys.